I've got this old code base that really needs to be brought into the modern frameworks and up to date. Just bring the coding standards up to date. In this series, I'll be using GitHub Copilot inside Visual Studio 2026 to help with a lot of the work, mainly because the project is fairly large. This was one of my long-running personal projects, pet projects from around 2008. I originally built it on the old .NET framework, and at the time, I was only slowly updating it to when the newer minor versions were coming out. Like most of the side projects from that era, my coding skills were not really that high. And of course, there was no AI or Copilot to speed things up. In this series, Copilot is basically going to act like a team of expert developers helping me rewrite the application. The first thing Copilot will do is explain what the code base is about. It should be able to give a fairly detailed technical summary. In the next video, we'll do a deep code review where Copilot points out major issues, which I expect there'll be quite a few. I mean, just considering how long ago this was written. After that, we'll get into the actual rewrite. So, let's start with the code explanation. These are just some of the files from the solution. I asked Copilot to generate a markdown file giving an overview of the entire code base. And here's the summary it produced. The project is essentially a car selling platform, basically a classified sites for buying and selling vehicles. It's built with the ASP.NET Web Forms, Entity Framework, and C#. The architecture is layered with separate projects for data access, business logic, and the presentation layer. The solution also includes external libraries from the Alexis projects, which provides shared utilities. Now, scrolling through the explanation, some parts are a little bit too obvious. For example, it simply states the data access uses Entity Framework, but it should have been more useful to also mention the exact version. And then going further down, it gives an overview of the business logic layer. I also noticed the solution includes another set of external libraries that I had also written them back then. Copilot looked at those as well, produced an explanation. I turned the markdown into an HTML file to make it easy to read. These libraries were meant to be reused across multiple projects. And here are a few examples from the explanations. So now the business logic handles business domain, rules, orchestration, and application workflows. It translates UI input into domain operations. Alexis to JDIN, a shared utility with constants, configuration readers, and small helper functions. Alexis Live, the main web application, handles HTTP requests, model binding, server-side validation, and overall presentation logic. Okay, these explanations are decent. They're not completely comprehensive. I mean, for instance, there is a folder called messaging email, which looks like a reusable email handling component. That part wasn't covered in the Copilot summary. Looking at the code, the email-related methods clearly need improvement. Things like mixing HTML formatting directly inside lower-level logic. There are much better ways of doing this. I can also ask Copilot for more detailed breakdowns of individual classes, and it would be helpful to have a high-level diagram. I asked for one, and it does make sense overall. Some of the diagram blocks were a little bit odd in terms of the color and layout, and asking again, it improved it slightly. It's still not readable. It can make up what it's trying to say. So overall, Copilot did manage to provide a useful explanation of the code base, but it's still very high level. It didn't go into the framework library versions. It missed certain parts of the solution. Some parts of the code base were not explained, and if this was a much larger code base, then it can become a problem. For example, if this code was written by somebody else, I'm relying completely on Copilot to guide me through every little detail. So that's it for this video. I'm going to have a car listings applications that need to be rewritten in the next video. And then Copilot will do an in-depth code review.